Hi my babies, it is PenguinEsk and I'm back with day 2 of Inktober. Hi, I will eventually get this up to date, I think, what I'm trying to say. Because I'm like a day behind on videos, but I don't think I'm a day behind in like actual art. But if you want to follow me on this Inktober journey, you can go follow me on Twitch because I am streaming a bunch of pages on Twitch every day. And yeah, it's gonna be fun, real-time shiz. You can also follow the comic on Tapas because I couldn't figure out how to work webtoons and they wanted this ridiculous ass format. Like a super long format that I don't like because I wanted to do it page by page. So yes, you can find it on Tapas and the link will be down in the description. My Instagram will also be down in the description because I post the pre-edited versions, which is basically what I'm doing now without the text. I post that on my Instagram and it's like super aesthetic. So yeah, just go follow me on fucking everything. Self-promo. Yes. Self-insertion. But yes, guys, it's day 2. I think I'm doing pretty okay. This page in particular isn't my favorite page. I love the way Max looks in all these panels. But this page is kind of lackluster. There's no background. There's like nothing but dialogue happening, and that is going to be the case for like a very good chunk of the comic because I am like a dialogue fiend. I love characters who talk, but like I also have my limits of like, hey, shut the fuck up, like I don't need to hear all this. But when I'm writing, I really love to like have small talk because small talk is, you know, I don't know, it's just fun to write, especially like if you know the characters per se. But yeah, here we are. So far I haven't given up and I really feel like I wanted like super duper like I'm just all into it right now. And I know I say that a lot when I start stuff. So we will most definitely see when and if I fall off. Hopefully I don't fall off. I really hope I can stick it out this Inktober. And I realized since I'm going to be doing it page by page and I never want to give this story away, I don't know what the fuck to talk about. Like, and I'm making these videos kind of short so I can not only edit them quickly, but just to have a quick kind of thing going on so you guys don't get too bored with like lengthy videos because it is only just one page and sometimes the pages aren't that interesting. And since I'm doing it without like the text, you don't know what's actually going on. So yes. Also, again for my materials, I'm using Kuretake black ink in 60. I'm using a Micron PN, a Unipen in 005, and Pigma something Sakura Pigma Sensei pens in 10 and 06. I think that's the thing. But yeah, this video is coming to its end. If you haven't already, please subscribe so you can watch this Inktober journey. With that, all the Inktober stuff will be down in the description. My Instagram, the Tapas link, my Twitch if you want to watch it in real time. So, bye guys.